So today we are going to be summarizing chapter 1 from what we read yesterday from our book Hoot. And we're going to start out by getting out our Hoot books, our writing notebooks, and a pencil, along with remembering today that we're going to be following our expectations of be respectful, be polite, be safe, and be responsible. So starting with our purpose statement, students will be able to summarize the chapter 1 of Hoot. Does anyone know what summarize means? So summarize means to be able to tell the important details of a passage, so of chapter 1. From reading chapter 1 class, what are some things that we can answer or know about for that would happen? I have a few questions or ideas from Officer Delinko. What did he fall into? He fell into an owl hole. Roy had a bully. Who was Roy's bully? It was Donna. And then who helped Officer Delinko get out of the owl hole? It was Curly. So summarizing chapter 1, we talked about what does summary mean. That was the main purpose or idea of a passage. So talking about a main idea, it's part of a summary. A main idea is important facts or a way to pinpoint what really happened. And then how are they different? Summary is more broad and main idea is more pinpointing to like one or two things. So who did we think were the top two characters in the first chapter? We had Roy, Officer Delinko, Curly, Donna, and Garrett. So out of those 5, I would say personally that it was Curly and Roy. An example from page 10 in chapter 1 was Garrett is no longer better than a D student, but is very popular because he cuts up in class. Would you guys consider Garrett being a main character in chapter 1? He was mentioned, but I don't think he was mentioned enough to be a main character. He was just kind of like a sub character. What is this sentence trying to tell us about Garrett as a person? So it says, Garrett is no longer better than a D student, but is very popular because he cuts up in class. It is probably saying that Garrett is a good social student, but when it comes to academics, he lacks. I feel like he gets more of his peers' attentions than his academics work done. So for class today, we are going to read the first paragraph of chapter 2 independently, and then write down in your writing notebooks about what you think chapter 2 is going to be about. Also, we may write down if there was any new characters throughout that first paragraph. And tomorrow, you're going to have to bring your writing notebooks back, filled in with those new main characters, if there was any, and what the summary of what you think chapter 2 is going to be about. And then continue reading chapter 2 until page 25. And we will see you tomorrow. Goodbye.